Speaking like Venz, Ronnie P and Talker, that's VENZRON.
What? Child. Anyway, so.
And welcome to my channel. This is my first ever video. Channel. This is my first ever video on YouTube, and you're probably
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
You're probably wondering why I make this video, why I uploaded this video. Girl, for the great. Hey!
Anong gagawin kapag wala ka na? Nasanay na ako na lagi nang kapiling ka. Ang buhay ko pala.
So in today's video, I will be introducing the financial statement, particularly statement of financial positions for you. I'm jumping through. This video serves as our performance task in fundamentals of accountancy, business, and management. Okay, let's start. So what is a statement of financial position? The statement of financial position, a report of financial balances of an individual or an organization, whether it is a sole proprietorship, business partnership, and corporation, or another type of organization such as government entity or a non-profit organization. There are three components of a financial position, namely assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. So what is an asset? Assets are any resources owned by a business or an individual. Liabilities is any obligation that a company had and required to be paid. Okay? Period! Owner's equity is the net asset of the business, where the capital lies, and etc.
Yeah, get into it.
How statement of financial position is important in financial statement, because financial position will be the basis of how healthy a company is, and it is also the so-called bottom line of financial statement, because each statement lies on this one, because this is the last thing you need to do. In other words, this is the snapshot of the financial position of a business. So as what I've said, statement of financial position is a report based on the accounting equation.
I don't understand. I don't understand, bitch. Understand. I don't understand.
What is an accounting equation? This is the equation of it. A equals liabilities plus OE, or the owner's equity. We have a so-called double entry in which debit and credit are there. The normal balance of asset is debit, while the liabilities and owner's equity are on the credit. So what accounting titles lies on the asset? So it is mainly composed of cash. So what is cash? Cash refers to money that readily available in business activities or operations. Receivables are asset pertains to the company's right to collect and right to claim payment. The next, inventory. Inventory refers to the cost of unsold merchandise that the company purchased for the purpose of reselling to its customers in the normal course of its business. Prepaid expense or the prepaid expenses. These are the future expenses paid in advance before the service or goods are used. Next is the property, plant, and equipment. These are the long-term assets which are used in the operations of the company. The next one is the intangible assets. So these are the assets that we can touch. So let's move on. It's my move. Let's move on to liabilities. Payables. Payables are the company's obligation to pay. These are the examples of payable. Payables. Accounts payable. Accounts payable are obligation to the suppliers of purchased inventories. Notes payable refers to the obligation to pay documented in a promissory note. Accrued expenses. Accrued expenses are the expenses that are already used in the operation of the business, such as salaries payable, utilities payable, rent payable, and interest payable. Unearned income refers to the advance payments made by customers while goods and services are not yet delivered to the customer. Long-term liabilities. These are the obligation that is settled that has some specific time more than 1 year away from the date of statement of financial position. Equity or the owner's equity is equal to the net assets of the business. It is composed of owner's investment, withdrawals, net income, or any net distribution to the owners. Okay, there are two forms allowed in statement of financial position, which is the report form and the account form. Report form are assets are listed first, followed by the
Also, by the way, these are my words. I did write this, and this is from my heart.
Followed by the liabilities and the owner's equity. So it looks like this. So it is vertically arranged. While the account form, on the other hand, the assets are on the left side, while the liabilities and the owner's equity are on the right side. So it looks like this. So it is horizontally aligned. Get it? So, okay, since I already said the some information about financial position, and I hope that you get it. And girl, it's not easy, but I choose this topic because it's familiar to me. It's more, you know.
Yeah, that's all you can say. Can you come up with something else? Can you come up with something else?
I can explain it to you all. Please, I can explain it
informatively.
back. And that's it for this video. I hope that you learned something today. And yes, pwede na din po makasaya. And I hope that you are safe and sound. Peace out.